All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I got the four-wheeler sitting up. Well, the motorcycle sitting up. I got my tire, well, the front tire up, and then I got my tires and stuff out there in the sun trying to get warm. But we're gonna see if we can get the front one off first and try to get the front one changed, and then we'll move to the back one because I gotta do a little bit more work on the back tire. I gotta change my sprocket and stuff, and I'm gonna put on another chain. So let's see if we can do that. Took most of my time putting these two contraptions together, the tire balancer and then the tire removal tool. Need to see if I got like a bottle I can put some soap and water in too. Let's see what I got over here. Crazy about you. Got a little bit of. I'm gonna put some soap and water in this bottle. Let's see. Got some wheel tire cleaner. I want to get this out of here though. I can use this a little bit. You got the most. All right, let me go in here and put some soap and water in here. I don't know why I keep locking the door, y'all. Hopefully I can finish this before it turns dark. That's my plan. It's 11:59 right now. So my plan is to be done before I would have success if I could do that. Let me fill this bottle up with some soap and water. Fill it up, fill it up. That should be good. All right, let's go get on this front tire. Hopefully, it's not that warm today either, so I don't know how warm the tires done got. It's 45 degrees right now. So high's supposed to be 50, but the sun is shining pretty good, so maybe they would have got a little bit of heat on them, but I wouldn't recommend doing this how I'm doing this because that's for the rear. That's not for the front. That stand is not for the front of the motorcycle, but we using it on the front because it's all I got right now. All right. I think I'm gonna use my, I'm gonna use my impact on it just to try to speed it up. Hopefully I don't knock the motorcycle over in the process. I shouldn't though. I'm gonna make sure I take my time. It's not gonna be hard taking it off. It's gonna be, I don't know, we just have to see as it goes. If any of it turns out to be hard. That gone pipe's dirty. I ain't looked at them in a while. Okay. Make sure I got the right one on there. Crazy. Crazy. I think that one is a better fit. This is a 24. I'm gonna hold the bike while I do it too. Not the right size. Another 1 3/16, 7/8, 18, 20, 21. Okay, we're gonna try this 7/8. Anything left for me, if you have anything left for me. Oh man. Trying to see. That should slide out, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta loosen these bolts on the front. Let me move y'all around here. Y'all can see that. All right, what do I come over here for? Is that a 10? Yep, that's a 10. That's exactly what I had, was a 10 already on here. I'm gonna have to take these gloves off because they not cooperating right. These definitely aren't tight, so at least that one wasn't tight compared to the one I just took off. The axle will slide out. So I loosen these bolts, so I'm not gonna take them all the way out, so just gonna make sure they loosen so I can slide that axle out. Trying to guess which way it would go. It would go, would it come out this way? I'm guessing it would come out to the right. Since the bolt was on the left side, it should come out on the right side. See if I can push it out. What size? It's not a ½ inch. I don't want to tear those I don't want to tear. I might have to take these bolts all the way out. I think they might be fairly long. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and just take them all the way out. So there's not any resistance. Messing with my hand. I don't know what to do. I'll make sure I keep all this stuff where I can remember where I put it. Okay, let's see how loose it is. Guess it would help if I had something to hit it out with, but I don't want to hit it with nothing too hard. Need something with a soft end on it. Two-way love. Shouldn't need much force for it to come out, I'm guessing. I don't know what to do. Too big. Show me. Like I said, I don't want to. Yeah, it's gonna come out fairly easy. I just gotta get something to tap it out. Just gotta be careful while I'm doing it. Too big. I'm gonna find something that fit off in there. Excuse me. All right, so it's coming out the other side. See if I can just pull it out. Oh, hit. Don't do that. Change the balance of the bike. Come on out of there. Have to take my brake off. It's not gonna slide past those calipers. That go. Definitely gonna have to be careful. Okay. See if I can find. See if I can find a something to go on my impact so I can make this quick as I can. Make this quick as I can. Two-way love affair. Too long. I knew that was gonna throw his balance, so. Might help if I lock the steering wheel too. So when I get that caliper off, I'm gonna lock the steering wheel. It's definitely trying to go on over. Oh. Let's put that 10 to the side. Didn't think that through too good, huh? But I think if I lock the steering wheel, that'll help. Scoot y'all back a little bit. I left my daggone tools at my girlfriend's parents' house when I was working on a four-wheeler, so I left all my bigger sockets up there. Yep, I left them all up there sitting on the four-wheeler. So all I got right now is what is this, the smallest, what is this, a 3/8? Might be smaller than a 3/8. But this the only size I got is like the small end socket. When I get it off, I might have to, like I said, depending on how it go, when I lock the steering wheel, I might have to set the front end down. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Hopefully, locking the steering wheel will solve my problem, y'all. I don't think I've ever had to take my brake caliper off or anything I ever did. The back tire will come completely off without taking the brake caliper off, because there's just one brake on the back. On the front there are two brakes, so it's making me have to take one of these calipers off. Hopefully I just have to take one off to accomplish what I need to accomplish to get that tire to come on off. Like I said, hopefully I lock that steering wheel, keep it from going anywhere. Like I said, this is not, this stand is not for the front of the motorcycle. I need to buy one for the front of the motorcycle. Okay. Let's see. Get this tire off from under here. Oh heck, I am gonna have to take the other one off. Yep, I'm gonna have to take both of them off. Oh. Said I might have to be careful. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my impact on that. I'm not gonna be able to get it because it's trying to move. See if I can squeeze it on there. Look, I'm gonna be able to, y'all. Let's see what I got over here. Just trying to move on me. That didn't make it no better. Have to set something up under it. I just got started. I was putting them tools together. It took me a while. Yes, ma'am. It needs some new brakes, y'all. I should have ordered some more brakes. I'm gonna have to sit this down, y'all. Maybe I can set it on my toolbox. Let's see. Where it'll still catch on the kickstand in the back. We're gonna try that. Trying to see. So I don't drop it on the ground. I know I set it down on this. I possibly won't be able to get it back up, y'all. Let me find something. To sit under the back here. I thought this through pretty good. Let's see. I don't know, I might still be able to catch it if I put it like this. See if I can lean it like that and it won't go nowhere. Oh. Definitely want to go over like that. Like I said, if I set it down, I possibly won't be able to get it back up. Maybe I can put something under the pigs back here. Like that might hold it. Well, I tell you. Cross our fingers. Okay, we're gonna run with that for right now. I think it's gonna go nowhere. All right, we get this enderer. Get this tire loose. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can get this tire off. I'm gonna check the motorcycle one more time. Make sure you don't want to go nowhere. All right. Trying to make sure I'm in shot. Okay. I should have tightened these things down on this wheel balancer. All right. See how easy this go, or how hard this go. I think, did I have a big, thought I seen a big, Can't think of the name of it. I thought I seen one though. A big washer to go over this to keep me from scratching the end of my tire or my rim. Alright, where I dropped it. Where'd that gum thing go to? Guess I'll find it later. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the compressor up. Hopefully this go fast so I can get that front tire back on there.